Power BI in oil and gas sector. In the oil and gas industry, data is as valuable as the oil itself. However, if there is no clarity or insights, it is just another untapped resource. From rig operations to product delivery, companies generate a large volume of data across the pipeline. But critical insights are often trapped in data silos and disconnected systems. Microsoft Power BI breaks down all those barriers. With this powerful data visualization and business intelligence tool, you can connect every data point, from the field IoT network to financial reports, all in one place. For example, your drilling supervision team can instantly spot potential equipment failures before they happen, preventing downtime. Not just drilling, Power BI can also help you forecast demand, optimize supply chains, and even play a critical role in ensuring safety compliance. At Evolvous, we specialize in making Microsoft Power BI for the oil and gas sector. We integrate complex systems, design custom dashboards, and generate AI-enriched actionable insights. For more than the past decade, we have been helping oil and gas businesses to cut reporting times, spot inefficiencies, and improve the speed at which critical decisions are made. Time to make your data work for your organization. Contact Evolvous today and discover how your data can fuel the growth of your oil and gas business.